Your body needs nutrients, and this is also part of the plan of Allah. He has created foods, different types of fruits and vegetables, different types of foods for us to eat. Each one has minerals and vitamins and so much that the body requires in order to strengthen not only your body, but more so your mind. If you don't eat healthy, how do you expect your mind to ward off the negativity that is going to come in its direction from the world? When I say the world, I mean those around you. If you don't eat healthy and you don't sleep healthy, your system becomes weak. Therefore, you may be overtaken by things that you were not meant to be overtaken by. So I invite you, my brothers and sisters, to eat healthy and to sleep well. Subhanallah. I don't mean that come 8 o'clock and you say, wow, the Shaykh told us you should sleep well, I'm still sleeping. You got to get up early in the morning. Allah has kept Salatul Fajr, because when you get up early, you are contributing towards your own goodness of health. Remember this.